Powerful possibilities. See more. The Slingshot SLR delivers upgraded performance and high-end style from the get-go. Designed for those who want a little extra oomph under the hood, with a high-revving 204 HP engine to deliver dynamic passing power and some extra acceleration at the lights. Factory finished with the new SLR front end, new Stage 2 Max Rockford Fosgate 8 inches speakers, two-tone paint, extra exterior lighting, sport interior, and a bigger 305mm rear tire to strut the streets. It's loaded up and just begging to be personalized.